My name's David. I was hired as the videographer / video editor, but I also run the social media accounts. You know, things used to be magazine, brochures, advertisements. Now everything's digital. Well, I got hired here. I just moved from California, started my life over. Met Rich at the Veterans Club my grandma goes to. He said he had a job opening for me. They were looking for a videographer. You know, I said, what the heck, you know, I like computers. I'm gonna go in and shoot my shot and see what happens. And sure enough, I go in and the first thing Jason asked me, do you have any experience video editing, taking video? And I told him, not at all, but I'm good with computers and I'm willing to learn. And for some reason that just sparked an interest in him. He said he never had an interview where somebody was honest, but at the end of the day, I think it worked out. I've only been here a little over a year, and just the kind of gratitude that they show towards me, it makes me feel like I'm important. Even though when I started here, I didn't feel like I knew what I was doing, and I didn't feel like I was the best fit for the company. They worked with me, helped me gain my confidence. We found a niche for what I need to do, and you know, just I know it's been said a lot in these interviews about how family oriented they are, but I just had a vacation. My dad came down from San Diego, and Jason offers, you know, takes us on a boat ride. We go through the Door Canal, takes my family out to eat, makes them feel real at home, and makes me feel like a real asset to the company for him to go out of his way to do that and find time. He's a busy guy, he's always busy. And for him to find time out of his day to do that, it means a lot to me.